Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a quick backup. This prevents permission problems. Once ready, open settings on Windows or system preferences on macOS to the user's /accounts area. You're changing the display name first because it's the simplest and safe. The account folder name is different and requires extra steps. If you're on Windows, click Accounts then Your Info. On macOS, unlock the padlock with your password. This opens the fields you'll edit, so you can change what appears on the lock screen. Now you'll perform the main change. Edit the display name so the lock screen updates immediately. On Windows, modify the name in your Info or Control Panel user accounts. On macOS, edit the full name in Users and Groups after unlocking. If you need to change the underlying short name or user folder, create a second admin, sign in as that admin, and rename the folder via users /advanced or terminal. This prevents permission issues. Make sure to restart or sign out so the system applies the new name. Finish by signing out or restarting so the lock screen displays the updated name. If you change the account folder or short name, check and repair permissions and update any app shortcuts that reference the old path. Otherwise, some apps may fail. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, sign in via the secondary admin account or boot to recovery/safe mode to restore the previous name or permissions. This single troubleshooting step, use another admin, resolves most rename-related lockout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.